Today, we are going to talk about the psychology of audience on Instagram as I have observed throughout different formats. Welcome, friends, to another episode of iMarketMeet. Today, I'm going to talk about the psychology of audience on different formats of Instagram, the way they interact with your content. So, let's begin with Instagram Reels and Remix, both simultaneously because they both are comparatively very new and trending formats. So, Instagram Reels is and Remix is a format where people are or your audience is just browsing, so basically they will at the max interact with your uh, content by making by liking it, or at max if they like it they will try to share it. The second third important way is that they will also try to create your duplicate your content by taking ideas from it and then replicating it. That those are the ways in which people are interacting with your Instagram Reels. Second comes IGTV. Currently, IGTV is not uh, experiencing a great kind of engagement, reach, or whatever it is due to the launch of Instagram Reels. But going forward, as things happen to be, IGTV will be the place wherein you will be able to monetize your skill set and your content. That's how Instagram is going to pay you uh, going forward. So IGTV is going to be one of the biggest things for the near future. Then comes Instagram posts. Now, many of you may argue that Instagram posts are dead, but according to me, they are not, because as per my experience and whatever I have seen with different content creators, you still get a lot of engagement in terms of likes, comments, and even to certain extent shares when you are just posting a normal picture of yours. This has happened with me when I repurpose my content in reels, IGTV, and posts. The most engagement that I receive is through my Instagram posts, wherein people will actually take time to read through it, comment on it, drive value to it, or maybe start a conversation with me in my DM. So, if you are creating any of one format and ignoring the other one, I would recommend that you stop doing it, because the psychology of your audience is different on different formats, the way they are engaging with you. So this is how I believe you can grow your business on Instagram at the moment. Make reels just to get the reach, because every second or third uh, reel has the potential to make go viral. That has happened with me. Like every second or third reel that I create usually gets 1,000 to 2,000 views. Then IGTV is something that you prepare yourself for the future, so that once monetization is there, you don't rush into start creating longer format videos. You are still well equipped to uh, just up your armory and start monetizing it, develop as a passive source of income. Then comes your Instagram posts. Now Instagram posts is something that you should look to develop, wherein you give a lot of content away, develop a relationship with your audience, and at the same time you also make sure that you are describing a proper CTA, that is call to action, so that your audience can actually uh, interact with you or can convert to a certain extent. So this is how you can use the psychology of the audience on Instagram through different formats to your best advantage. Guides is also one of the formats that I'm not talking about at the moment, because I'm not seeing success rate for anybody who's creating content for guides at the moment. So it is something that I'm avoiding because guides comes as a natural way of writing long format text. Now people are not there on Instagram, and the algorithm is not as such that it uh, helps intent based audience to search on Instagram. That is why guide is something that I have kept aside at the moment, but I'm still researching on how well we can use guides to our particular advantage. So that is it for today, and I'll see you soon next time. Take care. Bye bye.